Millions of families visit amusement parks every year, and in the summer they're an especially big attraction here in the Northeast. So for safety's sake, we wanted to find out the first things you should do when you go to a theme park and some of the worst things you could do there. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Susan Raff lays it out for us.
Are you the daredevil type who enjoys taking the big plunges on downtime? Or loves the feeling of flying you get on the sky coaster? Or perhaps the gentle waves in the wave pool are more your speed? Because theme parks like Lake Compounce are big hotspots in the summer, preparation is important. Park manager Jerry Brick explains a good first thing to do before you get to the park.
Do some research online, first of all, on our website. Study the park, study the height requirements.
And the worst thing that'll ever happen without a plan?
It becomes real difficult for them to see what's in the park.
Also, before you leave home, focus on your feet. Heat can radiate off the pavement.
But they want to have comfortable shoes. I always say sneakers.
Flip-flops are not the best choice. As soon as you get to the park, what's the first thing a family should do?
Make sure that if the family gets separated, they have a meeting place and they can easily identify that in the park.
But what happens if you can't find your child?
The first thing you should do if you lose your child is notify somebody that works in the park.
Emergency procedures will then kick in, and it's important to have a good description of your child. A digital picture taken when you arrive at the park might be something helpful to have.
We put security at our gates. We bring security to our parking lot. And what we do is we monitor everybody going out of the gates at that point. And then what we do is a park-wide search.
The worst thing you could do?
The worst thing the parent can do is take off after they give us a description, and then we find the child, but we don't have the parent.
As for the rides themselves, the first thing to do is read the signs to make sure you are right for the ride.
If they have pre-existing conditions like heart problems or back problems, or if they may be pregnant or something, that ride may not be suitable for them.
And the worst thing?
The worst thing they could do is if they have a pre-existing condition is go on a ride that will put forces on the body that they're not used to.
Don't think you're smarter than park operators, because certain situations can come up that you might not consider when deciding to ride when you really shouldn't.
There will be some times where a ride may have to stop at a certain point. If it does and we have to take people off the ride, they need to be in good condition to help get themselves off of that ride safely.
Susan Raff, Channel